Okay. Here's number 3. Again, same idea. So here we want to get the median of this. So we have a frequency table. Okay. Well, how many data values are there? Well, I have the answer here, but again, what am I doing? I'm adding up the frequencies. Adding up the frequencies. Good. Adding up the frequencies. And you can see that by adding, we get 129. So there's a 129, data values. Now that's odd. 129 is an odd number, right? So to get the median, we divide by 2. That gives us 64.5. So this tells us that 65, round up, 65, the 65th data value, or the number in the 65th position, that's the median. Once we order from smallest to largest. Okay, so let's do that. So what did I do? Well, we sort the values here, right? So in this case, the exam scores we sorted, but each number, right, we keep its frequency with it. Right, so 16 stays with its frequency 30, 18 stays with its frequency 35, and so on. Right, we're sorting the exam scores, but we're keeping the frequency, keeping the score, with the corresponding frequency. Now, we proceed as before. So what is this saying? The first 30 data values, right? You know, when we list it from smallest to largest, the first 30 would be each would be 16. Each of them would equal 16. Okay. The next 35 data values, so data values from 31, right, up to 65. 65 because we have 30 plus 35. 30 from 30 to 30 plus 35, which is 65, right? Those are all equal to 18. And this is the 65th data value. So right away, the median is 18 and we can really stop. But I'm going to keep going just for practice. Right? So the next 39 data values, so from 66 up to 104, right? Those are all equal to 19. And then the final 25 data values, they're all equal to 20. So from 105 up to 129, those are all equal to 20. Notice I'm also adding here, so from 31 to 65, 30 plus 35. And I go from 66 up to 65 plus 39 and so on. Okay, I hope this is making sense. This is the one I would have you guys try, but we'll do that next time instead. Let me move on. Again, for time consideration, I want to move on. We'll do it next time. Another way to measure center is the mode. The mode is the data value that appears most frequently. So in other words, from a frequency table, it's the one that has the highest frequency. Notice also that we can use this for qualitative data, right? You know, we made frequency tables for qualitative data, like here. So we can get the mode here. We can't get the mean or median, but we can get the mode. You just look at the highest frequency. So here, for instance, the mode would be on highest frequency. Okay. Actually, wait. Yeah, this was a frequency table from earlier with the favorite color. So the mode is orange. You can also have more than one mode. You know, you could have two data values. Their frequencies are the same, and they both could, and that could be the highest frequency. For instance, here, not only does orange have a frequency of 40, so does white. And 40 is the largest frequency. In other words, this data set has two modes, orange and white. Because again, both of them have highest frequencies, which in this case is 40. You could also have something like this where there is no mode. They all data values appear the same number of times. So that's another example. Okay, so that's what mode is. All right. Now, in the other class, let me stop this. That's as far as I got.